Okay, I wanted to show you how to hack into a black peppercorn grinder. That is to refill the old one so you don't have to buy a new one with your own peppercorns. There are a couple of techniques. One is if you have the hand strength strong enough to pull them apart, that would be great. You just pull away and down. But I don't have that strength. So the next way is with warm water or a half a glass of fairly hot tap water. You put the grinder into the water up to about here. You let the plastic get soft, which is really what the hack is about, softening the plastic. Put it in for about 4 or 5 minutes. Take a towel and hold on and pop it again just as if you would without the water. And then the third method, which is my method, is to take, you could probably use a hair dryer, but I'm going to use my heat gun from Harbor Freight, $9. Imagine that. And then there are two settings. There's a hot and a really hot. You just want the hot. So let's try it. So rotate. Keep it about 2 inches from the bottle because it'll get hot pretty fast and the plastic will soften up quickly. Rotate it a couple, 3 times. Off, and then take your towel and there it goes, just like that. So that's the hack. I hope you enjoyed it and helps you out. Bye.